Alright y'all, this is the next day. Hey, we done let it set up. Look pretty good. Say hello to my wifey.
Hello.
Her little crazy self. And we gonna test this out. That's okay.
Coffee out of the pork. See the pork in the top. Slide it down. Or would you rather have butter?
Ah, that got it.
Okay, now slice it in that way. Ouch! I need a piece with a cracker.
Let's check it out. Oh, you wanna do the honors, honey?
Why not? I gotta sample it first. Okay. I'm gonna go from oh no. Go from the bottom. From this side.
Could be a piece too now.
Yeah, I got a long. Oh. You want to cut it in half? You want a cracker? I'm gonna need the cracker.
Get a good look at it.
I just never been
Oh,
brave
yeah.
to eat it alone.
You can get a cracker. What it tastes like, baby?
Oh yeah, that's on point. Now let's see what it tastes like on bread. Can you slice a little piece so I can take Mr. Sam's on? So I know he ate today.
Alright.
It's really good. Now you can make a hot one.
Well, I thought I had nothing to do too. We was gonna do one hot and one mild, but hey.
And then you can do a sauce. I think Grant ain't like that one. Gotta smash it to make it right. Always have to smash your sandwich. Alright then. Now all I need is some brown swagger, chopped ham, and bologna, and lettuce and tomato. And you're gonna be on point with the fire sound. It's really good.
But anyway, y'all. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.